Hello everyone. Today, we will go through the process of connecting your GoDaddy email to Gmail. This will allow you to check and send emails from your GoDaddy account directly within Gmail, making it easier to manage all your emails in one place. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, look for your email address. If you are not sure where to find it, click on your name in the top right corner, then select Sign in to GoDaddy email or webmail. Your GoDaddy email address should be displayed on the screen. Copy this email address as you will need it in the next steps. Now, open Gmail in a new tab. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu, then select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page. Look for the Accounts and Import tab and click on it. Scroll down until you find the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the email address you want to add. Paste your GoDaddy email address into the field, then click Next. You will be asked how you want to import your mail. Select Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, then click Next. On the next screen, you will need to enter your GoDaddy email details. In the Username field, enter your full GoDaddy email address. In the Password field, enter the password for your GoDaddy email account. For the POP server field, enter the correct GoDaddy mail server address. If you're using a standard GoDaddy email account, the server is usually pop.secureserver.net. If you're using a Microsoft 365 email from GoDaddy, the server might be different, so check your GoDaddy account settings if needed. For the port field, select port 995. Then check the box that says Always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mail. This will ensure that your email is securely imported into Gmail. There are a few additional options. If you want to keep a copy of your emails on GoDaddy servers, check the box that says Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. If you want Gmail to label emails from your GoDaddy account, check the option to Label Incoming Messages. This can help you organize your emails. After reviewing the settings, click Add Account. Gmail will now test the connection to make sure everything is working correctly. If there are no errors, your GoDaddy email will be linked to Gmail, and you will start receiving emails in your Gmail inbox. Your GoDaddy email is now fully connected to Gmail. You can receive emails from your GoDaddy account and send messages from it directly within Gmail. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.